Well, some interesting Colclough Braganza sets here for collectors, really sort of demarcating the rather checkered history of the Colclough brand as it went through to its end production in 1997. So, Braganza pattern, all of them. The teacups were made with Royal Albert Braganza marks. There you go, Colclough bone china Braganza, made in England, 1991, Royal Albert. So after 1991, Colclough was in the ownership of the same business as Royal Albert Allied Potteries, and they were leveraging basically their best-selling patterns here and actually releasing them in the Royal Albert Limited marks and branding and supply chain. So D-shaped wasted teacup, 3 inches, really nice condition, good gilt all around it, and that sits on, in this collection, a Colclough Doulton period marked saucer and a Colclough Doulton period marked side plate. Marking stamps on the side plate, not particularly good on that example, but these will match with Doulton period D-shaped teacups in the same production. This one's post 91, so between 91 and 96, 97 when production finally ceased of these, and they were also made in the period 1965 through to 1997 with standard Doulton factory marks on. So dual production, different factory stamps, same pieces of china. Lovely condition these. We've got 2 of them with this combination. We have also got 4 we're listing with full Doulton period marks on the teacup, saucer and side plate. Side by side you really can't tell them apart, having said that. So an opportunity to put a large collection together with some mixed factory stamps, the explanation of which we've gone through. Thanks for watching.